dear friends. I hope that all of you are doing great. I have something a little different for us. These are Whimsy Valentine pockets. Let me show them to you. They are whimsical, childlike, childish, and they would be fine for kids, you guys. Just be mindful that there are small bits in here. So, I mean, to me, you guys are grown ups. You know not to give it to a 2-year-old. So there we go. But they just turned out really cute and really colorful. This one says you have the best smile. This one says no chores today. So they still have like 27 art trading cards in them. They have the nine tags with fibers and half a dozen art trading coins, and the small circles that I put in here, but just with a super whimsical little Valentine's tacked. I love the little carriage here. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Got a picture of a kitty cat. These are some Tim Holtz butterflies. I love the owls. I thought that they were just sweet as well. Each pocket will have border strips, cutouts, these word items right here. There are also, it's a dinosaur, a unicorn. What else that has a little pictures right here? And of course, all of these are they're stickers. So, a child could like totally make their own Valentines using a flow pocket like this one. We're going to call this one You Have the Best Smile. We're going to call this one You Have a Great Friend. You are a great friend. Love you, you. This unicorn says be happy. You can see that it's just bright and it's happy. It's pink and it's red and it's just very whimsical. Lots of fun to play with, guys. Just something just a little different today. I will be making our traditional flow pockets tomorrow, but I wanted to get these in the shop tonight. Just in case. I mean, I don't know if you guys, I know that we have one viewer that has a little girl that comes over to her house and crafts with her. I think that is powerful stuff. I think anytime that you can sit with a child and teach a child, how to craft, or not even teach them, just have fun with them, then I think that's such a benefit. You guys know, my relationship with my 2nd grade teacher who was an artist really did change my life. We'll call this one I Love You. So there we go, you guys. Just 3 little flow pockets, Valentines, whimsy, fun, pink and red, hearts and butterflies and stars and all kinds of good stuff. Thank you guys for listening. Talk to you soon. Bye.